everybody, this is Fabio from Central London Osteopathy and Sports Injury Clinic, Old Street, London. So 2 questions today. Should you worry about adjustments, and what is the cracking sound? So, well, first of all, you shouldn't worry about adjustment unless you see somebody who is not trained and experienced. And the cracking sound is the popping of air pockets inside the fluid of the joints, which is called synovial fluid. So any joints, this is a spine, so you can see the small little joints here in between. So whenever we do adjustments, whenever we perform adjustments, you can hear these popping sounds, but you shouldn't worry about that because it's basically part of the treatment. It's really good to increase the range of motion and the healing process, basically to boost the healing process. Okay, so don't worry about that, and see you at the clinic. Bye.